Good evening, Faith family. Welcome to Camp Jen. That right there is a little bunny. And he's probably wondering how he's going to get past the river that has developed in the backyard. Look at that. Isn't that insane? I told you the storms are going to set in. It's not actually storming, it's just raining. But who knows what the night will hold, you know? Sometimes we get ducks that sit back here, and it's so cute to watch nature and how it interacts with weird things like a constant stream that's not usually... Oh. Now it just wants you to see the screen. Isn't that awful? I'm telling you, technology isn't all it's cut out to be sometimes, right? So anyway, yeah, that little stream isn't usually that big. There you go. So, just checking in with you guys. I hope you don't get flooded out. The front of the house and the street looks pretty much like the back of the house. I'm a little concerned for the basement. Hopefully nothing comes of that, you know. We'll see. I love you guys and have a great evening. Stay blessed.